Hello everybody. Today is a day that I just want to do a little tutorial video to show you how much sometimes we spend way too much money on things that we have paid to have done. And if we just had a little bit of knowledge, we wouldn't pay the high prices to get things done. Now today I'm having a problem with my door inside. I got a Chevy Silverado 2004. It's a 4-door Silverado. It's I guess they call this the crew cab because it actually has has 2 main doors and then 2 little doors. One of them, as you'll see here in a minute, opens up from the doorpost, and that's the handle that's broke. The inside handle's still working. I don't have an outside handle. I have a doorpost handle. Now, if you was to buy this, I priced it at Chevy. If you was to buy the part, just this plastic part right here at Chevy, and you only get one of them, is almost $80. I got 2 of them online, one for the right door, one for the left door, for $23 for 2 parts instead of 1. We have a top screw and a bottom screw. That's all we have to worry about. This door will be fixed in 5 minutes. Stick around, I'll show you how we're going to do it. Here we are, and you can see the 2, well, you may not be able to see the 2 screws, but there's one right here and there's one right here. And it's kind of a dark video, but you'll get the gist of what I'm getting ready to do. Oh, looks like I ran out of juice on this screwdriver, so we're going to switch over. So now it might take a little more than 5 minutes, but I doubt it. We're going to switch over to a ratchet because I ran out of juice on my screwdriver. Top screw. As you can see already, and I ain't got the bottom screw out yet, this just falls right off. It's just a little plastic piece. There's the old one. Here's the new one. The only thing you may have to do on some, and it looks like I'm going to have to do it on this one, is that top screw hole gets just a little bit lost sometimes when you take it out. And there, see, it popped right in there. Just kind of push it over to where you can get a bite on it again. And take your bit and start tightening it down like you would a screwdriver. Once you get this top one lined up, the bottom one ought to be pushed over where it goes right in. Real simple stuff here. In a car shop, if you took this to Chevy or somewhere, they would charge you anywhere from $85 an hour to a little over $100 an hour, depending on where you live. And you can fix this door handle in 5 minutes, as you can see right here. There it is, all tightened down. It's got the little lock here to keep it from unlocking if you got a kid back there. But look at that. Fixed in 5 minutes. we don't have to spend all that extra money. Like I said, this is a 2004 Silverado, 2 screws, take it off, pop it right back on. All you have to have is a couple of tools and a little bit of common sense. And these people out there are taking advantage of us, fixing little things like this. When I called in to ask how much it was, they told me it was $85 an hour, and they would charge me for the first hour. Whether it took 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes, they was going to charge me for an hour. Talk to you later. God bless. Have a great day.